Hello, this is Mr. Clark here. I'm your criminology teacher, and obviously we can't meet directly in person as per the nature of the VHS course, but I did feel like during the first week or two here I should touch base. So far, everybody's off to a pretty good start for the most part. A few students got a late start to the class. So when you think about the kind of to-do list, things you need to do, make sure that you've done everything that you can earn points for, such as everything with the student handbook. There are several things you need to do. Acknowledge that you read through the rules. You need to message me in the private topic area. Some people have not done that yet. You need to do the getting to know you questions and respond in the private topic area to me for that. Other things left over from week one. Normally, I'm going to close out a week on a Wednesday morning. So VHS, if you're unfamiliar with VHS and how it works, it basically runs from Wednesday morning, 12:01 a.m. until 11:59 p.m. Eastern time, because I know we have people in different time zones. So it basically is a Wednesday through Tuesday schedule. And normally I'll close out the previous week and then start the new week up. But I'm going to leave the discussions and everything open for extra time this week, because we have some students that have started late. So from the week one leftover stuff that you need to do, so make sure if you haven't posted the dumb laws in the discussion forum, you put one of your own and then respond to two classmates. You need to have introduced yourself and responded to a couple of classmates as well. Generally speaking, all discussion forums, they have the same format. You need to post one time your own thoughts by Friday of each week, and then one time to a classmate by Friday of each week. Then the following week, sometime between Saturday and Tuesday, you go ahead and respond at least another time to a classmate. That way you're going back and forth to the discussion forum more than just one time. Also, you can go more than 3 posts in a total discussion forum. You can post as many times as you wish. You see something interesting, feel free to go ahead and post additional times. Also, be mindful of etiquette. Every time you post in a discussion forum, make sure you address with a greeting. If you're responding to a classmate, address that classmate by name, and always sign your post with your first and last name. That's standard each time. You'll lose points moving forward for that, so make sure that you're doing that correctly each time around. You should have completed the pretest. Doesn't really matter what grade you got on the 1.3 pretest. It's just a matter of you trying that out to see how well you did. In addition to that, we're starting up week 2 this week. So make sure, once again, you follow all directions for that. Another something that would be a good habit to get as far as discussions are concerned, and I try to guide you through that and model that a little bit through the first discussions. Change the subject headings. Put something interesting, like when you're talking with each other through the discussion forums about your hobbies, your interests, movies, sports, things like that. Always change the heading, because that might draw somebody in. It's almost like you're promoting your message so you get more people to comment. Also, use the checklist in VHS. They have a checklist for each lesson. So make sure you're doing everything on time. So check out the checklist and maybe copy the checklist into a Google Doc and kind of check the boxes off as you move forward. This week we're looking at laws and the Constitution and things like that, the Bill of Rights, hopefully things you've learned throughout your time in school, and we're going to apply that to criminology as well. As we move forward throughout the year, if you have any issues or comments or concerns, the spot to reach out to me is in the private topic area. So feel free to reach out there at any point in time, and I'll get back to you in 24 hours or less. Obviously, I am a full-time teacher. I teach 5 classes throughout the school day. So the time that I'm free, this happens to be one of the windows I'm free throughout the day, basically from 1:15 to around 2 o'clock. So this is a window where I can kind of check in, and this is when I'll be posting up this video in a moment on our class page. So I wish you guys the best of luck. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the class. And once again, the most important thing I can kind of give you as a way to be successful in this class: be organized, get assignments in on time, be proactive and interactive in the discussion forums, and you get a lot out of the class. I'll be running some more videos along the way. I'm going to do office hours the first Wednesday of every month moving forward, including in October. So look for that as a post as well.